Hello dear friends, welcome to Knowledge Home TV. I'm Sabah and today I am going to introduce my family relations. Paternal and maternal. Paternal and maternal. So let's meet my paternal relations. Paternal uncle, paternal aunt. Paternal uncle, paternal aunt. My father has two brothers and one sister. One brother is elder than my father and one is younger. My elder paternal uncle. My elder paternal uncle. His name is Abdul Rahman. His name is Abdul Rahman. We call him Taya Jan or Taya Abbu. We call him Taya Jan or Taya Abbu. He is a shopkeeper and running a grocery store. He is a shopkeeper and running a grocery store. His wife is a teacher in a government school. His wife is a teacher in a government school. He has two sons. He has two sons. My younger paternal uncle. His name is Abdul Sami. We call him Chachu or Chacha Jan. We call him Chachu or Chacha Jan. He is a math teacher. He is the funniest person of our family. His wife is a beautician and running a beauty parlor. His wife is a beautician and running a beauty parlor. My paternal aunt. My paternal aunt. Her name is Fatima. We call her Puppo Jan or Puppo. We call her Puppo Jan or Puppo. My aunt is running a private school. Her husband is a politician person. He does not take politics serious and changes party with affiliation. Now meet my maternal relations. My maternal uncle, my maternal aunt. My mother has two sisters and two brothers. My mother has two sisters and two brothers. My elder maternal uncle. His name is Umar. His name is Umar. We call him Mamu Jan. We call him Mamu Jan. He is an army officer. He is an army officer. His wife is doing job as an in charge in a vocational institute. My uncle has three daughters and one son. My uncle has three daughters and one son. My elder aunt. Her name is Shomaila. Her name is Shomaila. We call her Khala Jan. We call her Khala Jan. My aunt is a housewife. My aunt is a household lady. Her husband is a professor in a university. Her husband is a professor in a university. My elder aunt has two sons and two daughters. My younger maternal aunt. Her name is Shamsa. Her name is Shamsa. We call her Ani or Auntie. We call her Ani or Auntie. She is a lady doctor and works in a hospital. She is a lady doctor and works in a hospital. Her husband is a neurosurgeon and running a private clinic. My younger aunt is newly married. My younger aunt is newly married. My younger maternal uncle. His name is Shah Jahan. His name is Shah Jahan.
We call him Chanda Mamu. We call him Chanda Mamu.
He is unmarried. He is studying and doing his MPhil. He is studying and doing his MPhil. Okay friends, thank you so very much. Till next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.